Alright, so now we're ready to display our products. So going to the template, which is the HTML file here, I want to iterate over these products using the v4 directive. And the element I want to iterate on is this one. So here I'll add the v4 directive, and the alias is going to be product in products, matching our data property here. And now I can simply replace these placeholders. So this is going to be the product name. So product, which is my alias dot name, matching the property within each object here. And the description is similarly going to be product dot description. And last but not least, let's do the same for the price. Product dot price. And let's go down here and output how many items are in stock. So product dot in stock. And let's go into the browser and see what it looks like. So as we can see, our products are looped through correctly and displayed. So the name, description, and price, as well as items in stock, shows up correctly. But notice that the prices are just displayed as normal numbers. We kind of want these to be displayed as, well, prices, so we need them to look like currencies. For this, we can implement a filter for transforming the prices into a currency. So let's go to our Vue instance. Move down here, add the filters object as we learned in the previous section. In here I'll add a currency filter with a function taking a value as an argument. And here I can use a number formatter, which is a part of new modern JavaScript. So formatter equals install as internalization dot number format, and first the locale. I'll set this to English United States, and here we have to pass in an object of options. The first option is the style. I'll set this to currency because we want to display prices here, and the currency I'll set to US dollars, and minimum fraction digits I'll set to 0 because we don't really want to display decimals. And I'll return formatter.format with the value. So let's go back to the template and use this filter when displaying the price. So I'll add a pipe and currency, which was the name of our filter. So let's go back to the browser and see which difference it makes. And now you can see the prices look better now that we used the filter. Something else I want to do is that I want to highlight with some colors if some products are either not in stock, like this one down here, or if there are only a few items in stock. I've already added a few classes for this, so all we need to do is to apply the appropriate class to an element. So back to the template. Let's go back to the number in stock element right here. I'll bind to the class attribute using the vbind shortcut here. And you might remember that we can use an object syntax here with the class names as keys. So here I'll add the view class if this expression is true, and the expression is going to be product.inStock is less than 10. So if this is the case, then the view class is added, otherwise it's ignored. And I'll add the none class if product.inStock equals 0. And now back to the browser and see that it works. So now you can see that the product that's not in stock is highlighted with red, and the one that has only 5 in stock is marked by orange. Now something else I want to do is that if a product is not in stock, I want to disable the button to add to the cart, because it wouldn't make sense if we could add a product to the cart if it's not in stock. So back to the templates, let's find the button right here. And I'll use the vbind directive again, or rather the shortcut, which is a colon, and I'll bind to the disabled property. And since this is just a Boolean property, I can use a Boolean expression here. So product.inStock equals 0. So if this is true, then the button is going to be disabled, and otherwise it's not. So let's move back to the browser. And as we can see, the product that's not in stock has a disabled button right here. So everything seems to be working so far. And that's all I wanted to do in this lecture. In the next one, we'll add functionality that lets us add products to the cart.